Hey, what's up everyone? How you doing? It's our cruiser. I'm back with another vlog, and this time it's I have a little project here. So as you can see from my keys here, the key broke off in the ignition here. So yeah, today we're gonna try to get this out. Okay, so I removed the windshield so I have a little more room to get in there. Now one thing about this motorcycle is we use the key a lot, not only for the ignition but also to open the frunk. Okay, so this opens this and also the gas tank behind the seat, so we're using it a lot. And I made the mistake. I did notice it was a little bent, and instead of changing keys right away, I just continued using it and actually tried to bend it back a little bit. I did make a spare, but the spare doesn't have the chip in there, but this does open the trunk, the gas. So I recommend you make a spare just for this, so you're not overusing it. Okay. So of course, what do we do when we have a problem, right? We can check YouTube. So I was watching some YouTube videos how to take out the key, and one guy said is you take off a hacksaw and try to pull it out with one of these little blades here, but that was difficult, so I went online and ordered a kit, and this is what I got. I think this is more for picking locks, but this looks like maybe the tool I might try to use to pull that out. Yeah, this doesn't look too promising, but let's see what happens here. So let's try this thing first. How about let's use one of these. You guys can see that. Okay, so I'll use this to get this out of the way. Oh man. So I get the pin. Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna be able to hook that. Of course, the guys on YouTube make it look so easy. They stick it in there and they're able to pull it out. But so actually this broke. I was at the store and it broke, and I was kind of at a loss, and luckily I was able to put it in, and it was able to still start, so I was able to get home. But when I started playing with it, I might have jammed it in more, and now it won't even start, so it's completely unusable now. So what I might have to do if this doesn't work is I load it on my truck and take it to either the key guy or the shop where I bought it, which they'll probably just take to the key guy because I don't think they'll be able to get that out. So maybe I'll just take it directly to the locksmith, and if he can't get it out, then I gotta go to the Honda dealer, and then they might have to order just a whole new set, which I'm afraid how much that's gonna cost. So I'll keep going on this for a while, see see if I could move it out a little bit. And I did see one guy, he put a little super glue on there on the tip, and he was able to stick it in and super glue the tip and pull it out. So I'm thinking if I should try that, but if it doesn't work, it might super glue the insides and then that'll mess it up even more. So I don't know. Looks like this piece ain't gonna work. Let's see what other tools they gave me. So this one, I might have the best chance because it has a little hook here. How about this little guy? The idea is to, let me get my key. So if you look at the key here, it broke just right at, I guess, the worst possible spot, because the next part up has to go high instead of a low. So it's got to go up and get this part, as opposed to being able, if it broke here, you could just kind of squeeze it in and pull it out. So it's gotta go wherever the pins are. It's gotta go under the pin and over, then I could try to pull it out. So that's the idea anyway. Alright guys, well, as you can see, I couldn't take the key out myself, so I have her all loaded up in my pickup. Now we're gonna go to the locksmith, see if he could do it. Alright, so yeah, maybe I'll let you guys know how I loaded her up, strapped her down and stuff. Everything still looks tight. I did it last night. I should do one more click. Nice and tight. Okay, let's go check out the other side. Make sure the side's nice and tight. Oh yeah, that's tight. Okay. Alright guys, let's go to the locksmith. Well, the Honda key is broken in the ignition. So I went to the locksmith. He couldn't remove the 1/3 piece that's stuck in the ignition. So I went to the Honda dealer, and the only thing they could do is order a replacement. I had to order the whole new cylinder, and comes with 2 new keys, and it includes changing the trunk and gasoline opener. Okay, so yeah, as you know, the Honda NC has a trunk. It's called the frunk. The right opens that, turn it to the left, opens the gas back seat to fill it up with gasoline. And the key, of course, this 1/3 is stuck in there and it doesn't engage, right? So yeah guys, if your key is a little crooked or it's not looking too good, change it out right away. That's my advice. It's a costly mistake. This new cylinder OEM was about 200, let's say 240, and then labor is another 200. You know, I don't know how long it took them, but yeah, you know, they do have to take off the fairings and stuff, but you know, they have all that equipment. Just a couple bolts there, and plug it in the wire harness. I don't think it's too labor intensive, but they do have to hook this up to the computer and the HISS system on the ignition security system. So they have to hook the keys up to make sure it works for the new one. So yeah, I wasn't able to fix it. So yeah, guys, don't wait around for your key to break. If you notice something not right, switch it up right away. Use your spare. Yeah, and if you have to order another spare, get the microchip going in there and before it breaks. Yeah. All right. So anyways, I'm all set, ready to ride. This is the old one. I might try to make some kind of bike art or something. Maybe hook these up to some handlebars and you know, make a little Honda art ignition. That'd be cool if I could actually hook this up to a battery and have some lights go on or something. That would be pretty cool. And then I don't know about the front piece. Maybe I could jig something up, you know, have a little something open or closed like that, you know. See what I could do. But anyways, guys, I'm just share with you, you know, if your key breaks in there, you know, this obviously this 1/3 tip that was stuck in there, it's so deep, it's almost impossible to get out. The locksmith's the best around here in this area, and he spent about 30 minutes trying to get it out, and he couldn't. So it's just too tight in there, and it won't come out. So that's it, guys. Just thought I'd give you the update, and yeah, I hope this helped you guys out. If anyone else has this problem, just have to go to the dealer and order a new one. You can try to do it yourself, but yeah, I decided just to go to the pro because you know, you want to order everything and then you have to take it anyways if you can't do it. Alright guys, well that's it. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know if you have any good ideas what to do with this, or you know, if it makes jig something up. Okay, well, I'm our recruiter. Thanks for watching. Over and out, guys. Keep the rubber side down. Have a good holidays, and we'll see you on the next one. Okay, bye. Peace out.